What's up everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be unboxing UniFi G3 Instant wireless security camera. It is available for $29 on UniFi US store. Currently it's not available in India but would be soon. G3 Instant is your first step into UniFi Protect, and even then it's going to deliver unmatchable quality at this price point. Before unboxing, let's check out its features. The G3 Instant records video at 1080p at 30 fps. It has also got day or night infrared LEDs for better visibility, dual band Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless connection, a 133-degree wide-angle lens, built-in microphone and speaker for two-way communication, and you can set up G3 Instant very quickly using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. On the package, we can see the design of G3 Instant. It works with UniFi Protect, which means you need to have either Dream Machine SE, Dream Machine Pro, UNVR, or CloudKey Gen 2. Don't forget to check out UniFi OS Console Resource Calculator before designing your network. A detailed video on UniFi OS Console Resource Calculator would be coming soon. Stay tuned. Let's open the package. First thing we see inside the box is G3 Instant itself, with this lens facing towards you to capture your expression of amazement when you hold it in your hands and realize how small it is. In the front we can see the camera lens, dual LED for night vision, microphone cutout, and the speaker for two-way communication. In the bottom there is a Type-C port which would be used to power the device by either bundled power adapter or a Type-C PoE adapter, which is available separately. Here we have a barcode to help you set up the device. A power brick which is again very portable, and it is a Type A to Type C. A sticker to help you wall mount the G3 Instant using wall mount kit. Some double-sided stickers to stick the G3 Instant to any surface. This is the wall mount kit. A Type-C cable with adequate length. It's great to have a Type-C port on G3 Instant camera, and this proves UniFi is leaving no stones unturned to simplify IT for its users. A security camera of this size and price is simply amazing. A detailed review would be coming soon. If you wish to buy the product, the link will be in the description below. Thank you. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.